Good morning and happy Monday, Post and Peeps. I hope you had a great weekend. Today I'm going to go over your reading choice board. Today is Monday, April 27th, and it is day 26 of your choice board activities. All right, let's get started. Choice number 1. Your school will have a character parade next week. I wish we really could, but let's pretend. You are really excited about dressing up like your favorite book character. Write about who you would dress like and why you would choose the character. Describe what you would wear. Draw a picture of you in your costume. Okay, boys and girls, I chose Miss Frizzle and I wrote about her. And it says, if I could be a character from a book, I would be Miss Frizzle from the Magic School Bus. I love how she is so fun and can take her students to neat places. I also love her fashion sense because it is always themed to her trips and what her students are learning. My hair would be red and I would even have a pet lizard. I would love to be Miss Frizzle if even for a day. Okay, so you get to choose a character from a book and pretend like you are going to be that character and tell me what you would look like, why you would want to be that character, how you would dress, all that kind of stuff. Okay? Choice number 2, syllable search. As you read a book, search for words that have different numbers of syllables and add them to a chart. Try to find at least 3 words for each column. Then write sentences with 2 of the words. Remember that every syllable must have a vowel sound. Boys and girls, a syllable is when you break a word into parts by the vowel, like postin', post, on. Okay, so let's look. I have snapshotted the syllable song. You can find this on YouTube. It's Jack Hartman, and like I said, it's on YouTube, so you could search for that and watch the syllable song to help you to remember. All right, let's look at our choice, our activity. I chose the book, The Three Billy Goats Gruff. And as I was going through, I wrote words. I made a little chart and I wrote words underneath how many syllables those words had. 1, 2, 3. My words were once, time, and 3. Those words have 1 syllable. 2 syllables, upon, up, on, Billy, Billy, prancing, prancing. Okay, those are 2 syllable words. And then 3 syllable words that I found in the book, delicious, littlest, and thunderous. Delicious, littlest, thunderous. They have 3. Okay, then you're going to write a sentence with 2 of the words. I chose the word 3 and I actually circled it so you could see. There were 3 birds in the nest outside on my porch. And then I chose delicious. I ate a delicious piece of pecan pie on Easter Sunday. All right, those are your choices, or that is how you do choice number 2. Choice number 3, read an informational book. Think about what you read. What questions do you still want to ask? Try to come up with questions that you have for the author that start with who, what, where, why, and how. I read the book Fossil Fuels, and I found this book right on Epic. And the questions I had after reading is, what was the name of the first person to find a fossil? Where was the first fossil found? So those are a couple of questions I had after reading the book. So make sure when you read an informational book, a nonfiction text piece. Okay? Choice number 4, read a story. Answer who, what, where, when, and why questions about what you read. Who are the main characters? Where did the story take place? When did the story take place? What happened in the story? Why did the problem happen? Write sentences to answer each of the questions. Okay, so I made another chart. Who, where, when, what, and why. I read Splat the Cat. It was also on Epic. And I wrote, the main character was Splat the Cat and his mother. That was the who in my story. Where? The story took place at Splat's house and at school. When? It took place in the morning. What? It was Splat's first day of school and he did not want to go. Why? He was scared but ended up liking school. So choose a book, make you a chart, and write the answer to the question. Remember, who is in the story, who it's about. Where is like the setting where it took place. When is part of the setting. When did it happen? And when did it take place? What actually happened in the story and why? Why did that happen? Your last choice is your digital choices. You can follow the link and do the puzzlers as always, or work in Lexia for 15 to 20 minutes. Also, boys and girls, don't forget, you must read for 15 minutes a day and complete your reading log. All right, my loves, I hope this helped you.